How can you debug the functional requirements of embedded systems with stimulus exactly as you debug some code? Let's take, for example, a headlight controller that must turn on the headlights when the ambient light is low and turn them off when the light is high. The specification consists of 6 sentences. The 4 last ones define the automatic mode. The 6 stimulus requirements are here. Let's look at the first one. When the switch is on, headlight must be on. The requirements defining the automatic mode are of course more complex. For example, the 3.1, the requirement formalised in stimulus, is very close to the original requirement. To test all 6 requirements, simply group them by drag and drop in a paragraph, LLR all version 1. Let's go into the test environment, a block diagram. Drag and drop the set of requirements and we have 2 scenarios. One sets the switch to auto and the other makes the ambient light oscillate between 75 and 55%. Are these requirements correct? Let's start the simulator. Let's do 100 steps. At the beginning the light goes down, headlight is off, everything is fine. On the other hand, when light intensity goes below 60%, instead of seeing that the headlight switches to on, you can see they blink. No requirement applies. Headlight is not constrained, which stimulus indicates using a dashed line. The requirements are wrong. They need to be corrected as you fix a piece of code. That's what we did in the version 2. Let's test this second version. Let's do 100 steps. This time, a red bar indicates a conflict between requirements. Which ones are involved? Just click on the first error message. Stimulus displays the requirement 3.1, which says headlight shall be on. If you click on the second error message, stimulus shows the requirement 3.2, which says headlight shall be off. Version 2 is also wrong. After correction, let's test the version 3. This time we get the desired behaviour. The headlights are off, then on, then off again according to the level of the ambient light. This specification also has a high level requirement. The headlights must not blink. With stimulus you can verify that the detailed requirements do not violate the high level or safety requirements. Let's put this HLR in an observer. Let us resume the test. Let's make many executions in one shot, for example 20 runs of 500 steps. In one click we executed 10,000 steps and we can see that the detailed specification did not violate the high level requirement, otherwise it would have turned red. You can define as many observers as you want, especially for your safety requirements. Try stimulus.